Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 1 of the 10-day wire earrings to make and sell challenge. The challenge starts on June 1st, 2024. Be sure to watch till the end of the video to learn how to be eligible to win some great prizes in the challenge.
Today we're making wire head pins for simple beaded earrings. You will need flush cutters, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and I have the beaded bail making pliers. I'm using 20 gauge artistic wire, and I have miracle beads, cat's eye beads, glass beads, and some metal spacer beads. We'll start with about 2 to 3 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire, and using our precision round nose pliers, we are going to turn the end into a little loop and then another little loop to form an infinity sign or figure 8. And then we need to bend the wire straight up in the center, and we're going to add our beads. So use a variety of beads, as many as you like, and then we are going to clip the end to about 3/8 to half an end with our flush cutters, and take the bail making pliers, hold the wire, hold the beads, and bend the wire out and around to make a nice centered loop at the top. Pinch it close with the Zeron tweezer nose pliers, and for the hooks you need 2 pieces of 1 3/4 inches of Argentine silver wire. We're going to turn the ends together. We're holding both wires together, and using the beaded bail making pliers, we're going to form the hooks. I have other tutorials for earrings hooks. I'll link up in the description below, and then we're going to bend the end out. So we have our earring hooks. Be sure to file the ends, and there's our finished earrings. So now we are going to take another piece of the 20 gauge wire and start the same way with a little loop, but this time we're doing 3 loops. So it looks more like a Celtic style knot. So we're going to do 1 loop, 2 loops, and a 3rd loop, and then bring it around, and we form that little Celtic knot, adjust it, and bring the wire straight up the center. So there we have our end, and we're going to pinch it with the nylon jaw pliers so it's nice and flat. Add your beads, cut it to about 3/8 to half an inch. Again, make a centered loop at the top with your round nose pliers or your bail making pliers, and then we're going to pinch in the little pokey ends. And now I'm just taking a pre-made surgical steel earring hook. I will link up these in the description below the video, and we're going to add our earring. These are the display cards I sell my earrings on, so I've just poked a couple of little holes. I put on the earrings, and then I add some little plastic stoppers on the back so they don't fall off, and people can actually wear these stoppers behind their ears so they don't lose their earrings. So there they are on the card and the finished earrings. And I'll link up another tutorial for some more fancy head pins in the description below the video.
Make 1 pair of earrings from each day to be eligible to win some great prizes, including wire and tools from Beaded, jewelry and wire art from my Heather Boyd Wire Etsy shop, and templates, tutorials, and ebooks from my Etsy DIY shop. I will be doing a random draw for winners of the prizes on Saturday, June 15th at 12 noon Eastern Time. Be sure to join the Facebook group for my 10-day challenges to share photos of your creations. If you don't have Facebook, no problem. You can email me photos of your work at the end of the challenge to be eligible for prizes. For the duration of the challenge, you will be able to ask any questions about selling jewelry in the Facebook group. And I encourage you to share your wins when you sell some of your earrings. All the details are down below in the description of this video. Have fun with the challenges, and I can't wait to see what you create.